Hey guys! In this video we will cover how to view others' calendars, go over permissions, adjust your calendar view to show side-by-side calendars, and scheduling.
Before we get into it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell so you know when new videos are posted. Alright, let's get started!
With Microsoft Outlook's calendar, it's easier than ever before to stay connected and in the know with your coworkers' busy schedules. The ability to view their calendars takes the back and forth out of scheduling meetings and appointments, saving everyone plenty of time. Before you can view others' calendar, you will need their permission first. We will cover how to do so in a moment, but first, it's important to know that there are different permission levels. Depending on the level of permission granted is what you'll be able to see on someone's calendar. Pause the video to read the permissions. To access a calendar's permissions, select the calendar icon in the bottom left corner, then choose the calendar you wish to share. Right-click on the calendar and select Properties. Then select the Permissions tab at the top. Now select Add to open the Add Users window. From there you can add users and the level of permission you wish them to have for that specific calendar. Hit OK when you're done. Those people will then receive an email and all they must do is select Accept.
When you are given access to view others' calendars, simply select the Manage Calendars group, click Open Calendar, and then click Open Shared Calendar. Type in a name or click Name to select a name from the address book. The shared calendar then appears next to any calendar that is already in the view. After you access a shared calendar for the first time, the calendar is added to the folder pane. If the other person whose calendar you want to open hasn't granted you permission to view it, Outlook will prompt you to ask the person for permission. By clicking Yes, a share request email message will automatically open. This message asks the person to share his or her calendar with you and also provides the option to share your default calendar with him or her.
Now on to side-by-side and overlay calendar views. At Omega, we use this to help us see availability across multiple calendars. You can do a side-by-side view by selecting the checkbox of 2 or more calendars. For an overlay view, select the checkbox of another calendar that you want to view. Then click the arrow pointing left on the top left corner of the calendar, next to the calendar name. That calendar is now in overlay mode, with the one you open first usually your default calendar. If you want to add another calendar to the overlay, just repeat the steps.
Another great tool available in Outlook is the Scheduling Assistant. To use it, open your calendar and click on the new meeting icon. Choose Scheduling Assistant. Then fill out your meeting details, and with the help of the Schedule Assistant, you can see what times would work best for your attendees. Once you found a time that works, click Send. And there you have it, multiple ways to use the Outlook calendar to stay connected and simplify scheduling with your coworkers.
Want to learn more about Microsoft Outlook? Check out our video playlist or read our blog in the description below.
Before you go, make sure to follow us on our social media and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for watching!